Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Spec Sense. There are a few properties that will dramatically change how a light feels. Lumens is the measurement of brightness. Color temperature describes how warm a light appears. And the CRI rating describes the quality of light. Since wattage measures the amount of power used, the ratings between different types of lights are not equal. A traditional 60-watt incandescent bulb will be as bright as a 13-watt CFL or a 9-watt LED. Each has an average output of 800 lumens and will look very similar. Another rating you might come across is lumens per watt. If you want to save energy, choose a bulb with a higher number. Color temperature is expressed through the Kelvin scale. Overall, lights with a low color temperature will look warm, and lights with a high color temperature will look cool. Warm white, or soft white, will emit light similar to a tungsten bulb and is commonly found between 2700 to 3000 K. This light is comforting and best used in a living room or bedroom. Neutral white, or cool white, feels balanced and clean. These bulbs are between 3500 K and 4100 K. This light is good for kitchens and workspaces. Daylight or natural bulbs are similar to sunlight at noon and will be around 5000 K. This light feels refreshing and energetic, which makes it good for tasks and lighting office spaces. The Color Rendering Index, or CRI, indicates how vibrant objects will look under the light source. A CRI of 80 to 100 will show colors most accurately. Incandescent and halogen bulbs innately have a CRI of 100 and have a smooth reproduction of light across the whole spectrum. Basic fluorescent lights will have a lower CRI and often have a green or magenta color cast due to the sharp spikes in the color spectrum. Now, full spectrum bulbs are now becoming more common, and lights with a CRI of 80 and higher are now sold in all color temperatures. LEDs emit light in a narrow band of wavelengths, which means each diode produces a very specific color. LEDs now come in higher CRI ratings and are able to produce light more evenly across the whole spectrum. In practice, the CRI rating has some limitations, but it can still give you a good sense of the overall quality of light. So if color distinction is important, choose a light with a CRI of 80 and higher. Now, if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can always call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.